Let's continue chapter 3, creating a chart in Excel. So we will see these steps to create a chart in Excel. You all know it very well that first you have to select the data. How you will select the data? By selecting the cell range, you can select the data. Then you have to click on the insert tab. And then you have to choose the type of chart from the charts group. So here we are going to create for this data the pie chart. So you have to click the insert tab, click in the charts group, pie chart. Then when you click the drop down arrow of the pie chart, you will see there is a different type of chart type like 2D type, 3D type. So you have to choose. Here we have chosen 2D type. And then the pie chart will be created. So this is the pie chart for the selected data of sales. Let's see how to create a combo chart. What is a combo chart? A combo chart is a chart that combines two or more data series to make the data easy to understand. The steps to create combo chart. First, select two or more data series. Then select the insert tab. Then click on the insert combo chart icon in the charts group. Then different types of combo charts will be displayed. Select the required one. The combo chart will appear according to the data series. So here you can see the two type of charts are there for the two data series. Now let's see how to edit and format the charts. Editing means changing the existing type or layout of the chart. Formatting means enhancing the appearance of the chart. So let's see the steps to edit the chart elements. First you have to select the chart. Then the three buttons will appear at the upper right corner of the chart. So to set the chart elements, we have to click the first button. This is the chart element button, this plus sign. So you have to click the first button. Now check the elements. Chart elements are given. Check the elements that you want to appear on your chart and uncheck the elements that you don't want to appear in a chart. So by this way we can label or define the elements of a chart from the chart element button. You can see here in this example the selected elements are defined in the chart. Let's see how to set a chart style. Steps to set the style of a chart. Select a chart. To change its style, three buttons will appear. Now select the second button known as chart style button. This button will contain two tabs. One is the style and one is the color. So click on the style tab. Variety of styles are there. Select the required style for your data. And you can also choose by selecting the color tab. Select the required color for the chart. Applying filter on a chart. First, let's see what is filter. Filter is applied to a chart to view or compare a specific type of data. Suppose there are marks of the students. in 5 subjects, and you only want to display the marks for the 2 subjects. So you want the specific result, that is only the 2 subject marks to be displayed for the students. Then you can do the filter on a chart. To get the specified result, you can choose the filter on a chart. So let's see the steps to apply the filter. First, select the chart. 3 buttons will appear. Select the third button, known as the chart filters button. This filter button will contain 2 tabs, values and names. Click on the values tab. The values tab allows to edit the data points. Select the required points and deselect the ones that are not required. If you want to hide or view the names of a chart, click on Names tab and select the options as per the requirement. Click on the Apply button to apply the changes. So filter will be applied. Filter means conditions will be applied on the chart. Let's see how to resize a chart. How to resize a chart? First you have to click on the chart to select the chart. Then move the pointer over its resizing handles. The pointer changes to a double-headed arrow. Click and drag until dotted outline to give the desired size to the chart. How to delete a chart? To delete a chart, click on the boundary of the chart and press the delete key. The selected chart will be disappeared from the worksheet. Hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.